Hello praisers and savers, happy Saturday, and we are at Walmart. We are working on our weekend warrior bonus. I think it's $3 for 15 offers, and we're also working on like this spice bonus or pumpkin spice bonus. I haven't really started on it yet, just a little bit with some Publix deals. But anyways, so if you guys do not have IBOTTA, Shopkicks, Fetch, or Swagbucks, please look in my description box for the referral code. You get a kickback and I do as well. If you are not a subscriber, make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you know when all my videos are coming at you, and let's get started. All right, the first thing I'm getting is a Shopkicks Bundle. This is a fan favorite in my classroom. My students love when I stick these in the treasure box. So these are the Dove spray in the travel size. You must buy one man and a one woman's. Now these are $1.97, so both of those together are $3.94. You're going to submit to Shopkicks for 1,050 scans and kicks, and that's going to be $4.20 equivalent, making this a 26-cent moneymaker. In addition to the moneymaker on this Dove dry shampoo, I also got $2 in Fetch rewards, making this an even bigger moneymaker. I believe it's going to be a moneymaker of $2.26. So make sure that you submit your receipt to Fetch and also to Shopkicks. All right, the next thing I'm getting is this Suave, Dove, and Tresemme bundle. These are about 97 cents, but I just put $1 on my spreadsheet. You got to buy all three of these. They're in the travel section again. So you're going to do with scans and kicks about $2.60, making these 40 cents altogether. The next thing I'm picking up from Shopkicks is this Mint Toast Pure Fresh Gum. These are $2.98. We have with scans and kicks $1.68 coming back, making these just $1.30 after the rebate. This is another fan favorite in my classroom. These are the Trident pocket packs. They have the spearmint and the orange flavor. My students like the spearmint better, so I'm getting two of these at $1.88. I'm submitting to IBOTTA for a BOGO, so I'm getting back $1.88. So you're getting both of them for just $1.88 for the pair. Repeat deal on it. All right, we have a moneymaker and a possible even better moneymaker on these Werther's Original Sugar-Free. I find these in the checkout line. If you don't see them in your checkout line, keep checking because they have them in multiple lines. My students love these as well. They always fight over them when I put them in the treasure box. So you're going to pick up two of these at $1.48. Now with the first deal, they're going to be a 2-cent moneymaker. So a 4-cent moneymaker. So you're going to submit to Swagbucks for $3. So when you buy two, it's going to be $2.96. Submit to Swagbucks, and it's going to be for 300 Swagbucks or $3, making it a 4-cent moneymaker. However, I also have this dollar coupon, and I do not know if this dollar coupon works or not. We're going to see. If it does work, it's going to make these $1.04 moneymaker. So hopefully that coupon works, and we have $1.04 moneymaker coming back on these treats that I always give to my students. Very excited about this. So I'm walking around Walmart, and there's this random table at the front of the store with a bunch of candy on it and also some chapsticks. So these chapsticks are only 20 cents each. They've got the satin nectar, and this is the peach apricot, and then they've got the pear, and these are 20 cents. So my students will love these if I put these in the treasure box. They love stuff like this. And plus, you know, the winter season's coming, and they do not want chapped lips. So I'm going to see how many I can buy for them. If I can buy all of them, I might do that. Also, I see some of these other candies that are on here. These are for $1.07. I'm passing on that. You got some of the giant chewies are 50 cents. I'm going to pass on that as well. Just all kinds of things that I think that they might like. What's this one? These are Skittles. They're $1.40. I'm passing on that. But I'm going to be definitely picking up. These are 75 cents, I think. Yeah. I'm definitely going to be picking up these Ballistics for them because they love that. Awesome little deal on this table. Guys, you know I love the moneymaker on the Sparkle Terra Square. These are $3.97. We're going to pick up 2 packages of these at $7.94. We're going to submit to Swagbucks for 1,000 Swagbucks or $10. Getting back a $2.06 moneymaker on these, so you're getting a moneymaker of $1.03 per pack. Amazing. The next thing we're getting is this Blue Wilderness cat treats. These are $2.54. We have a $1 coupon that I printed from coupons.com, $1 off either the dog or the cat treats. So I'm getting the cat treats today, making these $1.54. And then we have an IBOTTA rebate for 35 cents back, making these just $1.19 per pack with the rebate. All right, there's a lot of great deals out right now for the Danimals. I believe at Publix you can get these for free, but I'm here at Walmart and I need them right now because somebody in my family just had some oral surgery. So these Danimal smoothies are $2.24. I have a $1 off coupon from the Danimals website on one, making these $1.24. But like I said, if you have a Publix in your area or Kroger, I'm not sure, I can't remember, you may be able to get these for free this week. But I'm picking these up for $1.24 today. I fell in love with these Dixie cutting boards a couple months ago when they came out the first time, moving out the way from people. So before, I think the IBOTTA rebate was like $2.50, but it's not anymore. So these are $4.48, and they found like where the paper plates and everything are. So they're $4.48 a pack, and then there's these sticker coupons on them, and they're still there. So $1 off of that, making these to $3.48. And then the IBOTTA rebate is now $1.50, making these just $1.98 off the price. So that's more than 50% off the price. So such a good deal for something. These are great. I take them to the condo or camping or whatever with us, and you can just throw them away. You don't have to wash them. I'm so excited about this because I love caramel and popcorn, and I'm going to get all 3 of these popcorn bags for just, I think, 98 cents. So let's look at the math for a moment. All right, so we're picking up these Werther's caramel popcorn, and I found these like in the popcorn section where all the popcorn is. So you're picking up 3 bags at $2.98, which is going to total you to $8.94. We have that Werther's coupon that I talked about earlier, though. This is for $1 off one of the caramel popcorns. So you're going to use 3 of those for the 3 bags, making it $5.94. And then you're going to submit over to Swagbucks for 500 Swagbucks or $5, making all 3 bags 94 cents. Amazing. All right, there's absolutely nothing special about this IBOTTA deal I'm doing, but I know that this is something that we use in my house. We don't get coupons for it, and if there's an IBOTTA deal out there, I'm going to get it. So these Spaghettios, we're going to pick up 4 cans of these at 98 cents. Not 88 cents, that's Chef Party, but at 98 cents per can. So we're picking up 4 cans of them. That's going to be $3.92. When we pick up 4 cans, we can submit to IBOTTA for 50 cents. And that's going to make all 4 cans $3.42. So like I said, not a great deal, but I know this is something we use, so might as well pick it up. All right, this is also not a deal that's special, but it's something that we eat. Actually, one of my children had some for lunch today. So these Velveeta shells and cheese are $2.98. We have a $1 back on Ibotta, making these just $1.98. Now I did get these at Kroger the other day, and I paid $1, so that was a really great deal. But I'm getting them for $1.98 today. All right, got another deal on some macaroni. Now this is not a special deal as well. This is 98 cents for the Kraft macaroni and cheese. I have a 10-cent bag on Ibotta, making these just 88 cents. It's not amazing, but we're gonna pick it up because we do eat it. All right, Praisers and Savers, just left Walmart. So far, my total with Ibotta, Shopkicks, Fetch, all that Swagbucks was $12.79, which is amazing considering we got a lot of great things today. So let's get home, put it on the counter. I'm gonna lay it out, and then I'm gonna see if I'm able to decrease my total even more if I hit any of my Ibotta bonuses. All right, stay tuned. All right, guys, everything you see here was $10. I got back an additional $2 from Fetch for the Dove spray. So everything was $10. I did not reach my Weekend Warrior bonus or my Spice bonus yet. I still need to get, I think, 3 or 4 more offers, and I will do that tomorrow. But $10 for everything you see here is a pretty amazing deal, considering that the paper towels themselves were $8, and I was able to get those for a Moneymaker with Swagbucks. So I had the Moneymaker on Swagbucks with the paper towels, a Moneymaker on the Werther's on Swagbucks, also a Moneymaker on the Dove there, and everything else we paid for, but it wasn't too much at all. My favorite deal of the day had to be the Werther's popcorn, because I paid about 94 cents for 3 bags, so about 31 cents per bag. So that was my favorite deal of the day. Guys, let me know if you scored. Tell me in the comments your favorite deal of the day, and I'll see you in the next one.